My name is Will, and I'm a cross-country and track and field athlete, and this is everything I eat in a day to help fuel my performance. I start my day off bright and early with 4 eggs and throw that on top of some delicious bagels, along with banana and of course a glass of milk. This is very essential. For lunch, I had this rice, peanut butter, chicken something dish. It was delicious. I had 2 of those, some oranges, and of course some milk. After my workout, I had a protein shake to get that protein in. Very essential. Then for dinner, I had 2 of these super good pasta dishes, along with 2 more mandarins and some more milk. And then I ended the night off with a Kodak muffin. These are amazing. And that's everything I ate. Please like and subscribe.